Hey guys, Miss Katie here. Do you remember that song? 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Hey you monkeys, it's time to make some bread." Wait a minute, that's not how the song goes, right? But now that you mention it, let me show you how to make some monkey bread. You're going to want to have a whole row of biscuits, a can of biscuits. You're going to want some sweetened condensed milk. You're also going to want to get sugar, brown sugar, and cinnamon, and mix it all up in a little bowl. Now I want to show you your kitchen supplies you're going to need. You're going to need a muffin tin. You're going to need these little baking cups. And I have some kitchen scissors or a dull knife, something for the kids to cut with. Let's get started on our monkey bread. Alright, to save a little time, I pre-cut, but this is super fun for the kids. We're going to get our biscuit and we're going to start to cut. I like to try to make little squares, but you'll see you're not going to get perfect shapes. You can use a dull knife, and you can even tear it if you like. So we're just cutting small little pieces here. And now it's time to fill our tin. So let me grab this. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and just start placing our little dough balls into our tin, our little muffin cups. Ooh, these are gonna be so tasty, I'm excited. Doesn't have to be exact. You can kind of eyeball it at the beginning and then kind of even them out as we go. Perfect. All right, now it's time to drizzle on some of that sweet condensed milk. So you don't want to do too much so it doesn't get soggy. So I'm just using like a little kitchen spoon here, and it's time to drizzle on top. It looks like frosting. So we have our topping on, and now it's time to grab your cinnamon, brown sugar, and regular cane sugar, and we're gonna just sprinkle this on top. All right, let me show you. I love this part. And we are ready to get an adult, and we're gonna preheat our oven at 350 degrees. We're gonna pop these little guys in for about 10 to 13 minutes. This is our end result right here. This is what you're gonna wanna see. We have that golden top, and you don't want the middle to be too doughy. How fun is this? So, like I said before, so simple. I really enjoy this snack, and I really have been enjoying making these videos for you guys. I miss you very much, and I'll talk to you all soon. Enjoy your monkey bread.